Hi, it's Tally, and in this video, you'll learn how to activate your customers on MobilePawn. Now that customer support has activated the feature, it's time to train. The good news, like every native feature we build into Bravo, onboarding your customers with MobilePawn is simple to do. Start by searching for your customer in Bravo. From this window, you can either select View to go to the customer's profile, or select OK and Bravo will move into the transaction screen. Selecting View from here will move us into the View Customer Profile. To make any changes in the screen, you will first need to select Edit Customer found on the right. Next, we will add the customer's cell phone number. It's important to ensure that the DNT or Do Not Text checkbox is unchecked to allow text messages to be sent to this customer. With text messaging now active for this customer, we can text message them MobilePawn activation code by selecting Send New Activation Code, now available on the right of the screen. Select Send. Within minutes, your customer will receive a text message with a URL link to install MobilePawn from the App Store, along with a unique 4-digit activation code. MobilePawn can be used on either iOS or on Android. After a customer is activated, a bell icon in their profile appears. A bell icon with the line stricken through indicates the customer is not active on MobilePawn, so at a glance you can identify who needs activation. Selecting the bell icon will also send an activation code from the transaction screen as seen here. The bell icon button only sends an activation code the first time you use it. Selecting the icon after activation prompts a free-form message or push notification to the customer's phone or app. If the customer either changes their phone or changes their mobile number, just select the Send New Activation Code button in the bottom right of their profile. Do not forget to update their phone number too. Last, with a loan or layaway ticket and a phone number, your customer can self-activate MobilePawn. The link to that video is in the comments below. That's it. Thanks for watching.